Everyone wants visible abs, but few actually earn them. The truth is, you don't need fancy gym equipment or hours of crunches. You need just 10 minutes and complete focus. Because today, I'm showing you the ultimate core shredding workout designed to burn fat, sculpt definition, and build real strength right from your home. No excuses, no breaks, just results. Most people train abs the wrong way. They rush through reps, forget breathing, and never engage the core properly. That's why results never show, even after months. This workout fixes that, hitting every muscle in your midsection, upper, lower, and obliques. Lie down flat, hands by your sides or under your glutes. Keep your legs straight and lift them up until your body forms an L shape. Lower down slowly and feel your lower abs burn. Sit with knees bent, feet flat, and hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders and upper back slightly off the floor. Squeeze that core at the top, and lower slowly. Now lift your legs and arms toward the ceiling. Reach up and try to touch your toes. Every rep counts. This targets both upper and lower abs together. Sit up slightly. Keep your core tight and twist your torso side to side. No rushing. Every twist carves your obliques and builds rotation strength. Lie back and bend your knees. Now drive your knees toward your chest. Lift your hips slightly off the mat. Control every movement. Hold a plank position. Now bring one knee to the outside of your elbow. Stay stable, no twisting. Feel that burn across your core. Hands under glutes, legs extended. Now flutter fast. Keep your core tight, lower back pressed into the mat. Crunch up slightly and reach your left hand to your left heel, then right. Keep your abs tight. This movement chisels the sides of your core. Keep your legs straight and alternate like scissors. Don't let your feet touch the floor. Control every rep. Lie on your side, prop up on your forearm and lift your hips. Keep your body in a straight line. Hold strong. Last one, the hollow hold. Lift your legs, arms, and shoulders just off the floor. Your body should form a dish shape. Hold it, don't drop. This is where you build mental toughness. You've just completed the ultimate 10-minute ab workout. Remember, consistency wins. Show up every day, and your body will transform. If you want faster results, watch my next video. Do this every morning to burn belly fat fast. Linked right here.